I'm going to show you how to install Claude Code in less than 5 minutes. Alright, let's dive straight into it.
So the first thing we need to do is download VS Code. For that, we'll go over to code.visualstudio.com. And if you're on Windows, you just click download for Windows. You save this. You wait for the download to finish. Once the download is finished, you just open the executable. I'm just going to click run. And then you accept. You decide where you want to install this to. You click next, next. Make sure this is checked here, add to path. Then click next and install. Then you can just launch VS Code to see if it works. And here it is, fully installed. We can just maximize this. Once VS Code is installed, we can continue adding Claude Code to it. The next thing you want to look into is the actual subscriptions you want to use. So in order to use Claude Code, you need to have a paid subscription. The free Claude here doesn't apply to the actual code we're going to use inside the interface. The Pro plan allows you about 20 minutes of work, and after that you'll have to wait around 5 hours for that to reset. So this is good if you just want to try out things before diving in straight away. And then for the max plan, the one that's $100 here, it has two different options. So it has max that's $100 and it gives you 5x usage, and then it has the Pro Max that has 20x and it's $200. So in my personal experience, I've only once or twice went past the 5x total usage time. Now all we need to do is add our subscription to VS Code. The first thing you can do is close this window right here because we don't need that, and we'll go over here on the left side and click extensions. Once we get here in the search bar, we'll type in Claude Code, and once that finishes, we'll click this button right here which stands for the extension, and we'll simply click install. We'll click trust publisher and actually install, and we're just waiting for it currently to get installed. As you can see, it says installing right here. It should finish in a few seconds. There we go. We'll need to click allow for this. If you get prompted with this get started, we can simply close this window and go over to explore right here on the left hand side. Click that, and we'll just click to open a folder. For this, I'm going to use the test folder I've got here, and I'm going to select this folder. Now, you usually get asked if you want to trust the authors and files. So I'm just going to click yes, I trust the authors and files because this is me just using this program. Once that is finished, you see we still have built with an agent, but this isn't Claude Code, so we can close this again. And right here on the top right hand side, you see we got open Claude Code, so we can just click this. Again, we get then the walkthrough set up with VS Code. We can still go and close this right here, and there you go. You got the Explore page right here where the actual assets from the folder stand, and you got Claude Code set up. So we're just gonna say, hey, how's it going? Ready to do some work. Once you do that, you see you actually need to activate your subscriptions with Claude Code. So we're just gonna use the subscription, and you have to authorize it by opening this link. We're gonna click open here, and what this does is gonna open another page where you have your subscription loaded, and you will have to authorize it. So if you click authorize here, it says fail to authenticate, but we can try this. We're gonna send them the same message again just to make sure everything works just fine. So even though it said it didn't authenticate, it actually did. It's just an error it gave us. And now you're actually ready to build with Claude Code. I'm gonna show you the best model you want to use. In order to select the model you want to use, you just have the Claude Code interface open, and you come right here where it says show command menu. You click this, and then right here where it says model, you just click switch model. And I highly recommend just using Claude Opus 4.6. This is the latest model as of this recording. And then once you click that, you want to go back here and make sure you have the model put on thinking. So if this is unchecked, you want to select this on thinking as well. And then you can also just click here to make sure you see the account and usage. Right, so that being said, you'll finish with the basic settings. If you actually want to learn more about vibe coding, we've got like a full course in here. It's Introduction to Vibe Coding, and it starts with the introduction. What is vibe coding? We'll go through the whole process. What's AI? What's an LLM? And then how to set up everything. Then we go over the tech stack and why we only use a simple tech stack. And then we even have the full security module for just beginners.